can hear a little bit of airplane noise. Binoculars. I have a new timer assembly on the way. Although it's from China, the screw holes align exactly. Well, it should. Based off of various Shopee listings that show the same assembly, the screw holes should line up exactly. And then I can use that new Chinese timer module in place of the broken Japanese one. It's a shame I can't get another 1980s Japanese Sankyo Seiki timer, but this Chinese one is the closest we've got. If not, we can buy a Sankyo timer for the FMT405, which is still sold today, but that costs 44 ringgit, whereas the Chinese timer costs 8. And it's so cheap, might as well try it.